Hi guys! So, ayun, no? Na-receive na natin yung ating Landers na Maya card, no? Credit card, no? Yeah, samahan niyo po ako sa pag-open itong ating Landers na Maya card. Okay. So, ito na, no? Bubuksan na natin siya, no? Napakingin sa labas. Okay, no? Yan, Landers. Na-intriga ako kasi noon dati, no? Sa Landers, no? Kaya kumuha rin ako ng ating Landers na credit card. Okay, no? Take your membership to the next level, no? Here in Jensen, wala namang landers, no? But sa Davao, meron. Pwede natin magamit ito sa Davao, no? And main purpose ko talaga is magamit ng credit card and transactions, no? Even here in General Santos City, no? Take your membership to the next level, no? For 24/7 assistance, go to your credit card on the app and tap the icon. Never share your card details, OTP, or password with anyone, no? After this one, no? Anong gagawin natin is i-activate natin, no? Sa ating Maya mismo na app. Okay, no? Partnered, but yung Landers is partnership sila ng ating Maya. Okay? So, eto yung sa loob ng Maya, no? Landers cashback everywhere, no? Credit card by Maya. Yan. No? So, here's my card, okay? No? Here is my card. Kadikit pa yan. No? Up to 5% cashback, 2% on dining, 1% everywhere else. No? Your Landers membership and credit card in one. Use this to access any Landers superstore nationwide. Okay? Ayan. Yan ang ating Landers. Okay? No? Of course, hindi ko papakita yung sa likuran. Kasi nga, napaka-confidential. No? And baka makuha yung ating okay? So, eto yung ating Landers na credit card. Yan. So, thank you, Maya. No? Thank you, Landers, no? For this one. Okay? Bye-bye.